Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to Warby Parker to pick up some contacts that I ordered, and then I'm stopping at a coffee shop called La Kind Cafe with my friend afterwards. They're doing a collab with a travel company called Base, and they have specialty coffees for I think a couple of days, and of course I brought Leo with me and I'm hoping to get him a pop cup. Unfortunately, when we got to the coffee shop, they said their espresso machines were down. So sadly, I did not get to try any of the coffee that was part of this collab. We just ended up going to another coffee shop across the street. And after that, I just walked home with Leo. When we got home, I fed him his breakfast and he goes absolutely crazy when the food comes out. He ended up knocking it out of my hand and spilling it all over the floor. If anyone out there has a dog that is overly eating and can give any advice, please let me know in the comments below. He looks like Hungry Hungry Hippo, if anyone remembers that game from when they were little. Good morning. Today we decided to head over to Greystone Manor in Beverly Hills. It's an old house that has the most amazing grounds, so we just spent some time walking around. It's very peaceful, very scenic. If you're in LA, I highly recommend. It is free to go to, and it's honestly just so beautiful. After we got back from Greystone, I just spent some time relaxing on the couch, hanging out with Leo. He's in a playful mood. Stop it. No biting. Morning. Happy Friday. I'm taking Leo on his morning walk. And we're just in the Beverly Hills neighborhood again. It's kind of gray today, but looking forward to the weekend. I love looking at nice houses, and there's so many in Beverly Hills. In one of my last videos, I showed some of my favorites, so I will do that again this time and keep doing it as I come across really nice ones, which is not hard to come by. I just got done with our walk in Beverly Hills, and we're gonna go home and have some breakfast now. I'm not sure what we're doing for the rest of the weekend, but I will bring you with me. Where are you going? He hates his little car seat. You have to stay in there. Today, my boyfriend and I decided to do a work from home day and switch it up by going to a hotel lobby. We grabbed coffee and some snacks and just sit in the lobby, get some of our work done. It's nice when you work from home to get a change of scenery. We brought the puppies with us and spent a couple of hours here before we started to get hungry. Not sure if you've caught on, but Leo can be a bit of a handful, and he was acting like a little maniac. So we decided it was time to pack up and head out soon. This hotel is one of my favorites to come to. They have this amazing outdoor space that you can work from as well. On our way home, we decided to stop at a little cafe. We had some snacks at the hotel, but we were both craving something sweet. So we got this croissant French toast. It was honestly so good. And we sat on the back patio with the puppies. That afternoon, I spent some time at the gym before getting ready to meet a couple of friends at a local bar and just catch up and grab some bar food. If you know me, you know I absolutely love chicken fingers with honey mustard, and this is one of my favorite spots to get them in LA. Happy Friday. The past few days have been a little gloomy in LA, so my boyfriend and I decided to take advantage of the most perfect day. The sun was shining, the temperature was amazing. So we headed over to one of my favorite places in the Pacific Palisades. It's this little overlook, which you can see Malibu, the beach. It's one of my favorite places to come, and it's pretty close to Palisades Village. After our walk in the neighborhood, we decided to head over to Palisades Village. As I mentioned, it's pretty close to the overlook. We spent some time window shopping. It's such a cute area, and they have an Erewhon, which is a bougie grocery store in LA. So we got a healthy late lunch. I just got a wrap. My boyfriend got pizza. I tried the pizza. It was surprisingly very good. And then we stopped into a bakery next door, and they had gluten-free, healthier dessert options. It was very good, but you can definitely taste it is more healthier dessert. And then we sat in a ton of traffic on our way home. Thank you so much for spending a couple of days in LA with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.